using Android phone or you are using iPhone and using Chrome browser, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to enable or how you can allow third-party cookie in Chrome browser. Let me show you how. Go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Then go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Proceed to settings. Then scroll down right here. So go ahead and click on site settings. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to third-party cookies. Then go ahead and click on that, and then make sure you switch to allow third-party cookies. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Chrome settings on mobile, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.